Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the logarithmic equation. Basically logarithmic equations with different bases of logarithm. Please watch this video till the end so that you will get so much information about how to solve the logarithmic equations with different bases. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here I have taken logarithmic equations with different bases. Here the log of the x with base 5, one base is 5, plus log of the same x with base 7. Here the base of the logarithm are different, one is 5, another one is 7, is equals to here log of x with the base 25. Here the base in this equation, in this logarithmic equations, the base of the logarithm are different. Here the base are 5, 7 and 25. In such a type of the questions, in such type of the questions, when the base of the logarithm are different, then we have to convert the logarithm with the same base first uh, step is to convert the logarithm, all the logarithm with the same base, and we have the change of base formula. Please remember this formula. The formula name is change of base. We can change any base to our requirement. We can change. Let me write a logarithm log of number b with base a. This can be changed, this can be written in the change of base format. I am taking the ln, which is the natural log on the both side. You can take the any logarithm, any base of the logarithm, any type of the logarithm. Let me write the natural logarithm ln. Here I am converting this logarithm with base a into the logarithm with base e, which is called as the natural logarithm. I am converting this log with base a into the natural logarithm. Here the writing format is, first of all, ln of this argument. Here the argument is, the argument number is here, argument number is b. So first of all, in numerator we have to take the log of any base as our wish of the argument, but we have to take the log of the argument. Here the argument is b, so b. This part is in numerator, and in denominator here we have to take the same log on the numerator and the denominator both. Here I am taking the natural log, so I have to take the same log on the denominator also. The ln of this base number, the base number is here a. This is the writing way for the change of the base formula. Log of b with base a is same as log of any base of the number, here the argument, previous argument is this b, over log with the same base as numerator, log with the same base as the numerator of the base of the previous number. This is the way of changing the base of any logarithm. Please memorize this formula. Now applying this concept to change the base of the logarithm in our logarithmic equation. Here the equation is, the given logarithmic equation is log with base 5 of the x plus log with base 7 of the same number x is equals to log with the base 25 of the number x. This is the given logarithmic equations. Now this can be further simplified in the same base, in the logarithm of the same base. Let me convert this logarithm with a different base into the logarithm with the same base, and this can be written as, I am changing in terms of the natural logarithm, ln of the argument. Here the argument is x, so ln of x over ln of the base is here 5. This is the way of converting this logarithm with a one base into the logarithm with the another base. Plus similarly we can convert this logarithm with the natural logarithm form. This can be ln of the argument is here x over ln of the base is here 7. Here I am just converting the different logarithm, different base of the logarithm to the same base, and this can be written as ln of x over ln of 25. This is the first step. Here we just change the base of the logarithm by using the formula, and here is a very beautiful form. This can be further written as the this can be further simplified as ln of x over ln of 5. Let me bring this term to the left hand side, ln of x over ln of 7, and if this term is transposed to the left hand side, then the sign will be opposite. Ln of x over ln of 25 is equals to 0. Here in this step we just transpose this right hand side to the left hand side, and this step can be simplified. We can take the ln of x as a common. It is present in all the terms. So ln of taking the ln of x as a common, then the remaining will be, here is the 1 will be remain 1 over ln of 5 plus, here also the same case, ln of 7 minus 1 over ln of 25 is equals to here 0. This is equals to here ln of x, and let's simplify inside this bracket. Here the 1 over ln of 5 plus 1 over ln of 7 minus 1 over, and this logarithm can be simplified. The 25 can be written as 5 square. Here we just convert this 25 in the form of 5 square, or ln of x times 1 over ln of 5 plus 1 over ln of 7 minus, here we can use the formula. Let me write here the formula. Please remember this formula. This formula is on the logarithm formula. N times log of any base of the number. This is same as the log with the same base of the number be raised to the power this number n. This is the power law. This is the power law of the argument. Please remember this formula. Very important formula. Very important property of the logarithm. Here is the same case in the denominator of this term, so we can apply this formula. Here the power is 2, so we can bring it in the front. 2 ln of 5 is equals to 0. And this can be further simplified as ln of x times, and the term here is the like term. Here is the, here in the first and the third term we can take the 1 over ln of 5 as the common, and then the 1 minus this will be the half, 1 over 2 will be left. Here we just do the operations on the first and the third term. Here we take the 1 over ln of 5 as a common, and then the remaining will be 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 over ln of 7. The second term will be as it is equals to here 0. This can be for the simplified ln of x times this number inside the this square bracket, at the 1 minus 1 by 2 gives half of 1 over ln 5 plus 1 over ln of 7 is equals to 0. Here here that we finally got the two factors of the given expression. Here the two factors, one factor is ln of x, and the next factor is this term inside the bracket. And here uh, let me revise the graph of the logarithm, basically the natural logarithm. Let me write here the graph. This is the graph of natural logarithm ln of x if the x is taken as the input. This is the graph of the ln of x. And please remember this graph, this nature, the nature of this graph is this way. This is the graph. Uh, this is the part of the. This is the nature of the graph of ln of x. Here is the origin, and this point of the intersections of this curve and the x-axis is just 1 comma 0. Please remember this point. And here we can easily observe that from the value of the ln of 5, here the ln of 5, here is the 1 point, and let me write here this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and so on. Here the value of the ln of 5, this means when the value of the x is 5, when the value of the x is 5, then the corresponding value of the logarithm functions will be positive. This value will be positive. This value will be positive. This means the value of the ln of 5, the value of the ln of 5, this ln of 5 will be positive. Here just replacing the x by 5. Just plug in the value of the x is a 5, then we got the ln of 5. This value will be positive here. This value will be, we can observe from this graph of ln of x. And at the similarly the ln of 7, at the some point 7 will be also positive. It will be also positive. And here inside this bracket, this ln of 5 and the ln of 7 both are positive, and here the positive number, here the only the positive numbers present inside the bracket. There will be no negative number, so there will not be the chance of cancelling the term. Here the all the terms will be positive, and the positive plus positive number gives some positive number. So this second factor cannot be equals to 0. This second factor have no chance to be 0, because here the all are the positive numbers. Positive numbers are added together, then give some positive number. So there is no chance for the second factor to be 0. So here the two factors, product of the two factors is 0. For this, the one factor should be 0, or the both of the factors should be 0. But here this factor inside the bracket cannot be equals to 0. So for the result to be 0, the first factor should be 0. The ln of x, from these equations we can write here the ln of x should be equals to 0. This term inside the bracket cannot be equals to 0, because the ln of 5 and the both ln of 7 will give the positive result, and the positive plus positive will some positive number. So this cannot be equals to 0. So the first factor should be equals to 0, and here we equate the first factor as a 0. This is only the possible condition for these equations to be 0. This is only possible conditions for these equations, and we can solve this very uh, very easy logarithmic equations. This can be written as, this can be further written as, here the ln means log with the base e. This is just log with base e of the x is equals to 0. The value of the x, therefore the value of the x is just rising the power of the base is the number 0. Here we can write e raised to the power this number 0 for x, for the argument. Therefore e raised to the power 0 is 1. Therefore we finally obtain the values of the possible values of the x is a 1. We finally obtain the value of the x is a 1 from this question. Please remember this, the nature of the ln of x. By this graph we can evaluate whether the logarithm has a positive value or negative value we can easily observe from this graph. This is the nature of the graph for the ln of x. This is basically the nature of the not only ln of x, it is the nature of the this graph is for the all the base of the logarithm greater than 1. If the base of the logarithm is greater than 1, then the graph will be like this. This is the nature of the graph of the logarithm with base greater than 1. If the base is greater than more than 1, base is more than 1, if the base is more than 1, then the graph will be like this. This is the nature of the uh, logarithmic functions with base greater than 1. Please visualize this graph also. This helps us to identify the whether the logarithmic functional value will be positive or negative. We can easily observe from this graph. Here we finally solve this particular problem, which is totally based on the logarithm with the different base. Here we can change the different bases into the base as we wish. We can change the given base into any base, and the base changing formula is this way. And then we apply this concept, and then we finally have the value of the we finally have got the value of the x as a 1. Let's check. For the logarithmic equations, we have to test at the last. The testing step is very important in case of the logarithmic equations. Here we have got the value of the x is here 1. Let's plug in the value of the x is a 1 in the given equations. If we plug in the value of the x is a 1, then this will be log of 1 with any base gives the 0. This will be 0 plus, if we plug in the value of the x is a 1, then this will be also 0 is equals to, here is the same case. If we plug in the value of the x is a 1, then this will be 0. 0 plus 0 gives 0 is equals to, which is true mathematical expression. So the value of the x is equals to 1 is accepted here. So that this is the only one solutions for this logarithmic equation. In our next video, we will discuss more about the logarithmic equations, as well as we will discuss about the logarithmic inequality. Please keep watching. This much for today. Thank you.